The property code allows a classification to be added to a group or Parker account that can then be used to group financial results within a location by this property code. This guide walks through the process to create and manage property codes, assign these codes to individual Parkers and group accounts, and where to locate this field within various reports. To configure property codes that will be utilized within customer accounts, first navigate to the Property Codes Maintenance submenu of the Administrator menu. If you don't have access to view or edit this menu, please contact your Zephire administrator. To add a new property code, click New. The New Property Code menu will open. Enter the property code within the Property Code field. This field can be populated with a combination of letters and/or number values. Once complete, click Update to save, or click Cancel if you do not wish to save the property code. To edit a property code, click Edit next to the property code record. Once you've made changes to the property code, click Update to save, or click Cancel if you do not wish to save these changes. To delete a property code, click Delete next to the property code record. Then, click OK to confirm the deletion of the property code, or click Cancel if you do not wish to delete the property code. To add a property code to an individual Parker account, first navigate to the Parkers menu and locate the individual's account. Then, click Edit next to the Parker record. The Parkers profile will open. From the Property Code field, select the property code from the drop-down list. Then, click Update to save. The property code will now be saved within the Parkers record. When importing Parkers into Zephire using the Import tool, you can also import the property code assigned. Within the property code header field of the CSV import template, enter the property code prior to importing. If the Parker will not be assigned a property code, leave this field blank. To add a property code to a group account, first navigate to the Accounts submenu of the Groups and Tenants menu and locate the group account from the drop-down list. Then, navigate to the Location Information tab of the account. Select the location you wish to assign to a property code within the Active Locations menu. Please note that property codes are assigned on a location basis. Then, select the property code from the Property Code drop-down list. Click Save Miscellaneous Info to save the property code to the account, or click Cancel Miscellaneous Info if you do not wish to save the property code to the account. Repeat this process for any additional active locations associated with the account that should be assigned a property code. When importing group accounts into Zephire using the Import tool, you can also import the property code assigned. Within the property code header field of the CSV import template, enter the property code prior to importing. If the group account will not be assigned a property code, leave this field blank. The property code header field is included within the Parker list, payment listing, payments with GL, billing summary, billing rate breakdown, and accounts by rate code non-contract reports. Pictured on screen is the Parker list report. These reports can be used to sort accounts and financial information by property code. You can sort these reports by typing directly into the header field, clicking on the header field to sort in ascending or descending order, and dragging the header field out of the report to sort by that column, as you would utilize other header fields within reports.
you.